Good afternoon.
I'm Sanjeev from BC Media, and we are here to cover this IFSC in the event. And on behalf of BC Media, I would like to welcome you.
Thank you, sir.
Right, and we have Mr. Keshav Jindal from Nexa Gem, and their tagline being "Big Brother is watching." Here with us, and we would like to hear from him his journey and the products that he's into, and what prompted him to join this exhibition and his future plans.
Hi, thank you, sir. Thank you for the introduction. I'm Keshav from Nexa Gem. Our parent company is Xenom International, whose proprietor is my father, Mr. Sandeep Jindal. So my journey has been quite rather a short one because I've just been into business 2 or 3 years. But we are basically dealing into CCTV surveillance and IT products. So CCTV surveillance, we go with the products like AHD cameras, IP cameras, Wi-Fi cameras, 4G cameras, PoE switches, and these come under the category of IT products as well, like PoE switches, because these are used in CCTV as well as IT products. Apart from that, there are other products like video door locks, smart door locks, that we've just introduced, and they're also a very good product for the security of the upcoming market. Now all the products are used in all the channels, from homes, corporates to government sectors. It is used everywhere, and security as it is increasing nowadays, everybody is getting concerned about the security. So we are glad that we are in this business and hope for the better future.
What is your latest product that you have?
Our latest product that we have launched, now getting into the CCTV aspect basically. So there are many types of CCTVs. Nowadays IP CCTV, IP CCTVs are growing more, intent protocol CCTVs. But in IP CCTVs, there's some upgradation. Firstly, there is two-way cameras. In two-way cameras, even the speaker comes out of the camera, and whatever you say, like broadcasting, whatever you say near the NVR or DVR, it comes out of the camera. Second is AI cameras. All the cameras are inbuilt artificial intelligence. Whatever you configure them to, they will do that. Like for example, vehicle parking, and you say that the camera should speak that, please stop, do not park here. The camera would speak that whenever a vehicle is parked at that particular spot. So those are artificial intelligence cameras. And thirdly, our latest launch is the dark fighter cameras. Those dark fighter cameras are the cameras which do not need light, which work on 0.01 LUX lux, and they do not need light, but they still provide colored picture even at night.
So night vision.
Colored night vision cameras without light, at zero light.
Are they expensive?
0.01 lux. Yes, they are a little bit expensive than the other cameras. The ranges from dark fighter cameras start from around 1500 to 2000 rupees.
Okay, and then these door cameras that you have recently launched as your product.
Okay, the smart door locks, yes. Yeah. The smart door locks are various types. They start with fingerprint. So there are categories. All the categories have fingerprints that we can unlock the door lock with the fingerprint. We can unlock it with numbers, numeric codes. We can unlock it with RFID cards. These are basics. But apart from that, the higher end models include unlocking it with face recognition. They recognize your face and unlock the door.
Supported by AI, it is
supported by AI.
It's going to bring about a lot of changes in life.
Yes, a lot of changes. Great thing that everybody here, all the exhibitors are here. Many exhibitors showing many new products, getting into securities, bringing security hands-on actually for all the people in India. And special thanks to you for covering all of this so that everybody gets to know what is happening in the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of BC Media, we wish your organization the very best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Anything you need to say about Make in India, Mahim and all those stuff?
Make in India is a great initiative because whenever security is concerned, everybody wants the security to be homebred. So all the products now are being made in India, and the initiative of the government is actually great. Hats off to the initiative that everybody will be secured from the companies which are homebred.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
All the very best.